but let's go take a look at the website now. You can see just the hero alone looks a lot better. Yo, what's going on everyone? This is Kevin from Kevin Builds, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I build websites super fast with OpenClaw. All we do is we have OpenClaw code it, deploy it to Vercel, and then send it over to the client. I was just in Ecuador for about a month, and while I was over there, I was testing out the system. It works awesome. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you exactly how the system works and then how you can get some clients coming in. Now, don't get scared. I know you've seen the gurus online talking about, hey, search up home services near me in whatever city you're in. Build a website for people who don't have one already and try to sell it to them. The problem is the people that don't have a website are not going to buy your services. They're not qualified leads. They don't take the business seriously. Maybe the business isn't even doing that good. They can't afford your service. So what I'd rather you do is pick a niche that's a little bit more hidden, not a popular niche, and find people that have websites. Just find ways to improve them. So for this video, we're going to be using this website over here. As you can see, they've got a website already, but this website is kind of trash. So what we're going to do is we're going to import it into our Telegram for our bot. And we've got this skill loaded. If you guys do want the markdown file to train your OpenClaw agent to just have the system and create some websites, I'll leave a school link down below where you can go ahead and join our group, and then you can download the markdown file, give it to your bot, and it can build websites super fast. Now, to explain the system a little bit, so the way we set it up is we went ahead and used the model Gemini 3.1 Pro. I think it's the best. It's got access to the websites on Google and knows exactly how to build a nice looking website. We'll use that to go ahead and analyze it, and it'll go ahead and create just these awesome animations. You can see this one over here. This one's in Spanish, so my Spanish isn't really the best, but it created all these different animations and all these different pieces of content for this client over here. And then this one too, this was a local dentist, and you can see the design does not look cheap. It looks pretty good. You can create these pretty simple. It'll go ahead, take their Google business profile information, load it onto the website, and that's all you need to do. But we're just going to let the bot work over here for a little bit. This is another one I built for a coffee shop. This one is pretty simple. And if you do need to make any kind of changes to the website, you just talk to your bot over here, and it's pretty much just like lovable. The only thing you really have to do is just sign up for Vercel over here. Now, Vercel is going to be a place where you go ahead and deploy your project. You've got to put in your credentials and all that. But that'll be covered in the markdown in the school. All right, so now it is good to go. So just a quick little update on what we were doing before. So I did have to go in there and talk with it a little bit. We ended off somewhere over here where it said spawning the sub agent. So what it did originally is it generated the website over here. It told me to run it locally. I said, let's not do that. Let's go ahead and deploy it to Vercel. It did the first draft over here. I noticed that some of the cards on premium services weren't loading. Then it was still a little bit buggy, and now it finally deployed over here. So it only took a couple minutes, but let's go take a look at the website now. You can see just the hero alone looks a lot better. Some changes we'd probably make is switch the font over here or switch the colors a little bit, put in the logo. And a lot of the times once you start building the website, you could just send this as is to the client, and then just make some changes if needed. You just talk to your Telegram. Remember, this website just was not really that good. If we go over here, we scroll down, it's got some services that look nice and professional. Got some good animations. Before your visit, meet your groomer, relax and pamper, reviews, and then an intake form over here. And if we scroll up at the top, we just right click inspect, and then we can go and take a look at it on mobile as well. It looks pretty good. If we ever need to make changes, it's pretty simple to do it on mobile, but you can see that this website looks nice and professional. Even the footer over here, it just knew to do these rounded edges. So, I mean, this is perfect right here. And the way we were able to get this app, you know, the design, if you just naturally talk to OpenClaw, it's not going to create the design like this. We had to give it a prompt, which I found on YouTube. So that's actually inside of the, what's it called? It's inside of the markdown file. So that entire prompt for the animations and everything, it's all in there for you. So again, the school group is linked down below. If you just want to download it, go ahead, put it into your OpenClaw and start creating these websites. But all we need to do now is just reach out to the client and say, hey, we built you this website over here, charge them a one-time setup fee and then monthly management. If they want to integrate things like different third-party platforms to go ahead, book on here, load in their reviews, embed some of their videos from Instagram or Facebook, put that on the website, we can easily do it. And just to show you what's actually possible with this, if you spend a little bit of time, you know, the first generation, it's going to be pretty good. You're going to be 80% of the way there. And then it just comes down to adding new pages and that sort of thing. So what we did for this person over here is we generated the website, and it's actually a multiple page website. So this is for a dentist. It's going to be in Spanish, but you can see there's all these different pages over here, all this different content. It looks really good on mobile. And the only thing we have to do is just add in some of the pictures on here, but everything like their information to go get in contact, it's all there, and it's the best website in the city for a dentist. So that's pretty much the entire workflow for how we build websites on here. Again, if you guys do want the markdown file, join the school group. I'll go ahead and send it in there. If you guys saw my other video, OpenClaw generated me millions of views using a specific workflow. That markdown is available in there as well. If you guys did enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.